blessings fall on me, and they remain until the setting of the sun. Yes, what a wonder and a beauty to behold, when in the eyes of every man you were the holiest of all. All right, guys, good morning. Now we're going straight into the first lesson. This is the first video, and we have 3 fragments. Now, fragments are like dividing the major scale, for instance, into different parts so that we can understand how it flows. So say we divide the major scale into 3 parts, not equally, but into 3 parts. So that's basically what a fragment is, and that helps me better to interpret how to move along the guitar. So fragment 1 is what I call 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4. So when I say 1, 2, 4, this is basically what I mean. So finger 1, finger 2, finger 4. Now, how does that fit in on the guitar? Is finger 1, finger 2, finger 4. It means that playing on the guitar, all that will be in your mind is that you're going to play the notes that are available to be played for that scale, for the major scale. In the diatonic system is 1, 2, and 4 for fragment 1. Now, fragment 1 consists of 2 strings, but those 2 strings are still on 1, 2, and 4. So this is what I mean. Say we start from the very beginning here. Fragment 1 is 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4. So if you look at the notes we did, we'll see that fragment 1, the tonic solfa for fragment 1 starts from T. Ti, do, re, Ti, do, re, mi, fa, sol, Ti, do, re, mi, fa, sol. So basically, you are only thinking about 1, 2, 4. Now, say I just want to play something randomly. I would be thinking about only 1, 2, 4 because I'm on fragment 1. So Ti, do, re, mi, fa, sol, fa, mi, re, Ti, do, re, mi, fa, sol, fa, mi, re, Ti, do. I'm only thinking about 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4 on those 2 strings. So that's all about fragment 1. It's on 2 strings, and it is 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4. Now, remember we said it moves in a circle. Fragment 1 moves to 2, 2 moves to 3, 3 moves back to 1. It means that after playing fragment 1, we will then move to fragment 2. Now, fragment 2, instead of 1, 2, 4, fragment 2 is now 1, 3, 4. So that's something like this, 1, 3, 4. And it's also on 2 strings. So if we have fragment 1 as 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, then we would have fragment 2 on 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4. So that's basically on strings 4 and strings 3. So 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, 1. So it means that if you're moving from fragment 1, 1 to 4, once you have exhausted fragment 1, the next thing you're thinking about is 1, 3, 4, fragment 2. So 1, 2, 4, then fragment 2, 1, 3, 4. Do you understand? So say I'm here, anywhere in the guitar, I'm playing 1, 3, 4. The next thing, if I'm coming backwards, I'm thinking of fragment 1. So that's 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4. So, I mean, for me, that logical picture of it makes it very easy. Mind you, we're starting from Ti, Do, not from Do. So I think why many people have not seen it this way is because most times they are thinking about the root. But me, I'm not thinking about the roots. I'm thinking about the shape. So I know where my root is. I know where every note is. So ti, do, re, mi, fa, sol. Fragment 2 starts from la. La, ti, do, re, mi, fa. La, ti, do, re, mi, fa, mi, re, do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do, ti. That's the 2 fragments. Now, fragment 2 then moves to 3. Now, mind you, the other fragments are on 2 strings, but this fragment 3 is on just 1 string. So it's on only 1 string, and it's on 1 and 3. But remember what one of the principles that we said earlier is when you are on the 2nd string, you move forward. So we have 1 and 3 like this, but then because we are moving forward, it becomes something like 2 and 4, just like this, because we've moved forward to achieve the distance of a fourth. If you remember when we were talking about do to fa, do to fa, do to fa, then do to mi here. So to achieve that distance, we now have 2 and 4. So what do I mean by this? We move from fragment 1 again, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, to 3, 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, then to 2 and 4, which was supposed to be 1 and 3, but because we are now on the 2nd string, it becomes 2 and 4, 2 and 4, 2 and 4. So you see that? Ti, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la. Then, remember, fragment 3 is just 1 string. And after fragment 3, what did we say? It moves in circles. That's the first principle. So, meaning that after fragment 3, we move back towards fragment 1. 1, 2, 4. Ti, do, re, ti, do, re, ti, do, re, do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do, ti. Okay, so, sorry, that's quite deep for me. So, ti, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, re, do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do, ti, do. So, you see that it becomes very easy. Fragment 1 moves to 2, moves to 3, 1 string, then moves back to fragment 1. Now, remember, there's another principle that says whatever you play on 1, string 1, you play on 6. Whatever you play on 6, you play on 1. So how does that apply? Look at this. We played 1, 2, 4, and we also played 1, 2, 4. So 1, 2, 4. So 1 moves to 2, 2 moves to 3, 3 moves back to 1. Coming backwards, 1 moves to 3, 3 moves to 2, 2 moves to 1. So you can call these fragments, you can call it parts, you can call it whatever you want to call it. So that's, basically how the fragments works. Throughout the guitar, that's how it works. So wherever you find yourself, just know what comes next, the fragment 2 or fragment 3, and just play it with ease and with freedom in your mind, and it's going to sit well. So this is the end of this video. The first class dealt with fragments. In the next video, we'll deal with the 5 different shapes in which these fragments express themselves. Thank you very much.